Gratitude to my subscribers. And if you are first time on my channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon, so that you do not miss out on my videos that I publish every Thursday afternoon at 3 p.m. In today's video, we are going to see the traits of pride, vanity and independent thinking with graphology. Traits of all three shows in the same alphabet. Let's jump to the topic and see which alphabet is it. Let's start with pride. Pride shows in handwriting when the height of the stem of small t is almost 2 times the height of lowercase alphabets. This is a good pride that helps you to take care of yourself and also helps you to make the right decisions in life. Next comes vanity. Vanity means pride that is exaggerated. One tends to inflate one's ability and good quality. Vanity shows when a writer writes stem of small t in such a way that it's more than twice the lowercase alphabets. Time to see the trait of the independent thinker. Independent thinking means if one likes the way things are being done, then he will go with it. But if one doesn't like the way things are being done, then one will silently move on his own path with what one thinks is right without being bothered about what others are thinking. Trait of independent thinking is also shown in the stem of small t. If the height of the stem of small t is less than twice the height of lowercase alphabets, then the writer is an independent thinker. Above is the image that shows the trait of pride, vanity and independent thinking with graphology.